Automatic candy can weigh in filling, capping, labeling, packing machine line. Granule weighing multi-head combination wear filling machine. It adopts deceleration lifting motor. Automatic feeding control system when material is missing and the bucket type lifting mechanism is completely closed. Non-polluting, no leakage, feeding, weighing, filling, and full automation control. Equipped with domestic well-known ultra-miniature combination, the filling speed is fast and the precision is high. Multi-language touchscreen human-computer interaction system visual operation can also record the total number of cans. Suitable for all kinds of granules and solid materials, flexible machine materials can be selected according to product materials. Fully automatic suction cap pressing cap machine, automatic cap sorting, feeding and pressing. Machine structure is simple and easy operate. It can use 4 different type of cap and bottle. Pressure sensitive labeler for caps, high precision of labeling, subdivided stepper motor or servo motor drive to send labels. Intelligent control, automatic photoelectric tracking with no object and no labeling. No standard automatic calibration and automatic label detection to prevent leakage and label waste. Can collecting machine, automatically storage the packaging line can all bottle, saving labor costs, improving production efficiency.